Today we'll talk about how can you select language on your Webull app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is, so you just go down, you click here on menu down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on general here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on language here. Then here can you select language you want to add on your Webull app here in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.